Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is Saturday the 20th of December 2025, and this will be the last job I'm going to film and edit this year. I've just got to do the second fix on the bungalow renovation on the shower room. So we've got the shower valve to fit, the toilet and the vanity unit, so it shouldn't be too bad. I've been a little bit stressed this week, just trying to get jobs done. I've still got to work Monday, Tuesday as well, but the jobs aren't looking too bad. We've just got some commercial shutdowns and stuff, so I actually quite enjoy that sort of stuff. It's all the little bits and bobs that, can you just pop here and do that and pop here. It's just been dragging me around, but anyway, we're getting there. I can see the end. I just wanted to say a massive thank you for this year. All the support has been really greatly appreciated. I don't feel like I say thank you enough, but without you guys there probably wouldn't be a channel. So yeah, thank you so much. I've tried to remain as consistent as I can with the videos this year, trying to get 2 videos out a week. I think I've missed it a couple of times, but yeah, sometimes life gets on top. There will be at least one Christmas special going out. I'm not sure what date it will be yet. So yeah, get subscribed to hit the notification bell so you don't miss that upload. It will be a belter. That being said, we're going to crack straight on with today, try and get through it. I don't think it'll be too bad. As I say, things, touch wood, normally don't go wrong. It'll all go pear-shaped now, I've said that. But yeah, I'm not feeling stressed, I'm not feeling under pressure. I'm losing my voice, but yeah, we'll go in, get the job done, and we'll have a little bit of a catch up at the end. Who's the Grinch, you know? Looks nice, mate. Best get some work done now. You pleased with it? Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it? Apart from the plumbing, obviously. We'll get our shower valve dropped on for a start, because it's a nice quiet job. Just got a fast fix kit to go on there. We'll get the riser rail up. It's made a nice job there, the mermaid board. Looks nice, that. I'll just put my fast fix kit plate on. The pipes are dead level. We just need to cut past that line, so when we tighten up the other bit, it doesn't cut into the washer. So we'll cut there somewhere. Give it plenty for the olive to sit. We just need to make sure we seal behind the pipe so no water can get in there. So just bead it clear. Don't have to be anything special, just need to make sure there's no water gets behind. And we just need to screw them back. With this being mermaid board, we can just screw straight into it. Elbow level. It should be 150 watt as well. That bit, and that bit. And we should just be able to bolt our shower straight on. It lines up absolutely perfectly. We knew it would, there was never a shadow of a doubt. There is always a doubt. And we'll just use grips on there, scratch all the chrome and get that tightened up. Does it send you an Allen key or do you have to use them? No, you've got an Allen key. And a washer, so I'm guessing that washer goes on one of these. Send you a screw as well. I don't need the screw. You get an Allen key. So you can get them. What's the washer? Is that a washer for that bracket? No, the washer will be for the shower head. Right. No, the bracket just clamps on. We'll soon find out if we need the washer. No, it's for the shower head. No, I don't know if there's a vibration or something. No. Well, what are you doing in the shower head? I normally go the other way around, mate. That one goes on the shower, and that one goes on the shower. Fair, my plumbing course, isn't it? He's been on one of them 5-day courses, he has. But they tend to sit in the holder better on the long bit, you see. Yeah, it does, yeah. You're right, it does. I know I'm right. So if you put it the other way, it don't fit in the holder. I sometimes tuck them behind so it keeps them out of the way, but you can put it how you want, it's your house.
What does that washer do then?
That one goes on the shout. Oh, I don't know. Oh, that'll be. Did I not put both washers in on the?
That came in a little bag with a screw for that bracket.
I'm sure I put both washers in there.
I came in with a screw for that bracket, so I didn't know if it was meant to.
No, I'm sure I put both washers in. We'll soon find out, won't we, when we switch the water on. If it leaks, all we've got to do is whip that off. What we're going to do next? Vanity unit.
Do you want to do the toilet next? Because that's probably easier to do before the sink's in, isn't it?
Yeah, can do. Could do the toilet then. You're the boss.
Right. I'm bothered. What do you want to do?
I want to go home.
Really.
I've got the system in the van. Hopefully the system fits. It's a standard one.
Standard one. No,
All them panels lift off, don't they? It's not one of them that they don't lift off, is it? This top should lift off. Yes. They normally do. Oh no, the panels don't come off there. The panels don't come off there, do they? They're like flat pack ones.
What?
They're like flat pack ones, aren't they? Normally they're on like hooks that you slide down. It just makes it a bit harder if you ever want to work on it, but I might do away with the bottom figure and just slot the panel down. We'll have a look at it.
I don't do well.
Don't like these ones very much. The other ones are better where they just pull off. Well, that's a bad design, because if you ever want to work on it, you can't actually get it off without taking the whole unit to bits, because they go in there miles. And it's all one piece. That's a bad design. These are all coming out. What's he doing? What we're going to do is we're going to take these off and we're just going to... I might see if I've got some other brackets where we can make it so it drops down. Pop it in if you're happy with it in the middle. So we can move it across the right a bit if you want.
I would say
That's
about right then. You can still work on your radiator, can't you, if you're right to?
Yeah, that's not an issue. Yeah, that'll be alright. I'll get the system fitted. I'll get that unit screwed back. Might have to put another button behind to stop the system swinging back, but we'll just make sure it fits in for a start. It's going to be tight. I went for a bottom entry because I don't think you get side entry in. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Who doesn't love a bottom entry?
Who doesn't love a bottom entry? Do you like a bottom entry? Stop being so rude. He doesn't love a bottom entry. That's why I need to put a bit of batten behind, stop it swinging. Just when we cut the plate out, I just screw a piece in behind. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. But my plumbing is simply delightful. Not holding my grips the wrong way round. Do I care? Not a bit.
Pan something you're cooking.
Pan something you're cooking. We just need to mark all the way around this when we've got it centred, and then we can cut that out for the flush pipe. I don't know what we're going to do about this. I don't know what we're going to do about that yet, but we're working on it. I don't know if you can see, but I marked around the pan, and I've just marked just on the inside of it. So I just need to basically cut that section there out now. Let's do that one first. You're a mean one, Grinch. Cut some nice, don't you? Got a bit of tape behind your flush pipe, it stops that from riding back on itself when you push it in. Top tip that. Tom's top tip. Stops it pushing back. It's quite tight on the system, this one as well. So I might just put a bit of lubricant on there, but it stops it from moving. It's really tight on that flush pipe on the back of the pan. I mean, it's rubbered in, so it should be fine, but and I lubed it up. Yeah, it should be fine. Just tight, I think. There you go. Don't spurt your hole that way on your front.
Yeah.
Just getting this vanity unit pinned back. The floor's a little bit out of level, so we're just having to pick it up on one side. But you'll not notice it. We'll drill it at that.
You need hand very much.
No, I'm alright, mate. I'm alright. I'll just get this. You can get me my tap and my thingy out.
Yeah.
Thanks for that. Yeah, no worries.
Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. It's a pain in the crapper. Bang on level though. You want that tap up that side, yeah? As opposed to the tap underneath?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
You think so? In here, because that was the only place I could get my cold to my toilet and my waste, we've just got to drill the bottom out, then we can glue that waste in. The unit was a bit of a pain to get in because I had to feed them. Well, yeah, I had to sort of hook it round and get it in, but hot, cold, that's a cold, so they'll just tee together, and then the waste through, and then we just bring it up, bring the pipes up to about there, and the flexes will connect onto them. I'd have thought I'd drop that skating board on for you.
Can't, because you had your vanity units and stuff.
Oh yeah, true. I'd have multi-tooled it out. Try to keep it to the back for you, maximise your shelf space. Like I say, I wish I'd done that feed to the toilet different, but hindsight's a wonderful thing, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know if I've put that washer in that shower. I can't remember if it's... Well, there's a washer spare, isn't there? Yeah. I just don't want to soak my drill and stuff. But yeah, it can go on for me. That's the toilet filling up. Yeah, I think they're alright, mate. There's obviously a spare washer. Why did they do that? Plumber's heart failure. I was going to say, I'm sure I'll put them on. Not leaking on the flush pipe, mate. Just got the button to do on the toilet. Nice to know that there's no leaks. I'll flush it a few times anyway. Just bed the basin on with clear silicone all the way around. Zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Va-va-voom. Oh, he's gone for a waterfall tap. Do you reckon that's going to go straight over the edge? They sometimes do.
Probably got the pressure valve on the
Yeah, I can turn the service valves down underneath, but sometimes they zoom straight over the edge.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, we just have to change the tap.
Yeah.
If it does. I'm not saying it will. Hot, I'll just use a short bit of pipe and a male iron. And the cold, I might get the bender out. I don't know. Or use a 45 or something. No, I'll probably get the bender out. Stop being so lazy, Tom.
I've got my hoover if you want. Yeah, I can do it. I'll hang on, bro.
You hear me, bro?
Right, I just need the middle of that waste, wherever I put it. I'll have to put it just
I'll get the button drill for the toilet and then we'll have a hoover out.
Yeah, I mean, I can clean it up if you do the waste outside.
Yeah, I'll get that button done. Just going to put T's and rodding eyes on the outside, just so it makes it easier for the shower. I mean, we used mostly sweat bends and 45s inside, and it wasn't a long run, if you look back at my previous video. Well, just thought if I do it like that, You just got half a chance of being able to clear any blockages. Somebody might thank me one day, and it might be me, so. There's some left in it. It's the worst bit of silicone I've ever done, but you always seal where the profile meets the tray. That's like a weak point. There's very little on the inside there, surely. Is it? I hope it fits. Well, if it don't fit, we're in a bit bother. Oh, we'll have on the showers for them, won't we? That's what the curtain. This is the one that should fit, so. How you got, mate? About 10mm from the edge of the tray, yeah? Really tight. Of course it fits, Michael. I've got the little cover caps to do, just got clear to do on the outside, white to do around the bottom of the tray, and that door, just a knob to put on the door. That's all fitted. I always use Dow 785 to seal everything up. I've used clear in the corners, I'm just using white along the bottom of the tray, which I think will look fine. That's got us all completed. I told him I'd get one done for Christmas. I've still got the other bathroom to do, but that'll be next year. As I say, it's 25th December today. I've still got Monday and Tuesday to work, and then I'm all done. Yeah, all plumbed in, everything's working. Just going to try the shower in a minute. Everything's sealed up. So yeah, I think he's happy, which is the main thing. So if you enjoyed this video, if you could hit the like button, that'd be appreciated. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike, and we'll catch you all next year. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, there will be at least one Christmas special as well, so make sure you subscribe for that. I'm not sure when that'll be going out, just depends what time I get. I'll be bored by Boxing Day anyway, so yeah, watch out for that one. It'll be a good video. Catch you all on that one. Face the camera.